Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see some fun and quirky products that are amazing for gifting. The first product that we are going to see is an ATM machine. No, it's not an ATM machine, it's actually a piggy bank themed as ATM machine. This operates exactly like a piggy bank and an ATM machine. You can set up a pin to open this machine whenever you want to take your cash back, and it's a good habit to save. You can save coins or you can also save notes. This is how the note enters the machine and this is how the machine opens. This system is absolutely dummy and not real, but it's fun for kids and people who would enjoy the quirk of it. Another option for the same product is this safe. It's a small safe, also has a password and a place to enter coins and notes similar to the ATM machine, and opens in a similar way. You have to enter a password and give your fingerprint, which is not real, but it's fun and exciting for children to enjoy. The second product is an amazing toy actually, and is super fun to work with. It is an amazing stress buster if you are someone who enjoys kinetic sand or slime or something of that sort. This is an amazing product which is in between of both of these things. It stretches up to 100 times of its original size and smells like candy, so it's really fun. It's fun for kids, or also makes a fun return gift if you're hosting a birthday party, etc. This product is found in Mango's toys section, so you can explore that as well. The next product is my personal favorite, and it is so soothing for the eyes and for your ears. It has this amazing lullaby kind of music which soothes you down, and if you have any thoughts, if you are sitting somewhere alone, I think this can give you great company. The next product is this small capsules, and you must be wondering what these capsules are, but wait until you discover. This is a super affordable and fun product for children in school or in kindergarten as well. So it actually is a pen which writes in blue ink, and it's a ball pen, but the way it opens is really fun and makes a great gift. The next product is the Scratch Map, which is a deluxe edition. This is a premium quality map which you can frame and put it up in your house. So all the travel enthusiasts or your friends who are travel enthusiasts, this is a great gift for them. This is also affordable and comes in a good price range. You have to scratch the part in this map every time you visit a place, and it's super fun. It keeps track of your travel and keeps you excited about your next travel plan as well. So it makes a great gift for everybody who loves traveling. I personally love this gift and I wish somebody gifted me this, but you can do that for your friends. So do check it out. You will find these products at the physical store as well as the online store, so make sure you check them out. The best part about this product is that it makes great home decor piece. You can just frame it and put it in your living room or your studio. The next product is this amazing Supreme cash gun which suspends cash, and this also is very affordable and a great gift for content creators or for models or anybody who likes pictures or also likes to have fun or play games. This is amazing in every way. I think this is a product that everybody would enjoy. You can use fake notes that come with it, or you can even use real notes if you're in weddings and if you want to have a party, etc. You can also use this product as a prop for your photo shoots, and this creates really nice photos. This is how you enter the cash inside, and as you press the button of the gun, this will start suspending the notes from this slit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let us know in the comments which one was your favorite gift, and we might host a giveaway for you guys. Let us know in the comments if you would like to watch more of these videos or you would like to watch more of art videos. Your feedback is really important to us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.